Okay, hello everyone, and I'm back again and happily back again with a proud Damsonian, Dr. Aparajita Kansal. She's secured rank 66 in AIMS November this year and rank 72 in PGI November this year. Wonderful, Aparajita. Heartiest congratulations on your performance.
Thank you, ma'am.
And there is a standard question, how do you feel with those ranks?
I'm really happy with what I have achieved, but I think I can do better.
Oh, so
So,
that's the spirit. See, she's done, I think, exceedingly well, and she does have scope for improvement. Absolutely. Till you get rank one, you always have scope for
that's
improvement.
very true, ma'am.
Okay. And I was just talking with Aparajita, and she was saying that she never thought that she would be sitting here with us for an interview. So.
Yep.
Do you want to say something on that regard? Because that's something that every student thinks कि हाँ मैं नहीं पहुंच सकती या पहुंच सकता. So what do you want to say to them?
I think you need to set a target for yourself and try your hardest to achieve it.
Wonderful. So very, very important. The word is targets. Absolutely right. I think if you don't have your targets and you're just sitting and reading, then probably it won't convert into ranks. But yes, once you have targets, you know exactly what you have to work for, right?
That's very
So all
true.
of you should all start with setting up a target for yourself. Wonderful. So that leads to the next question. And then what is the strategy to achieve that target, Aprijita?
I think being regular is the most important thing. It's about
Okay.
consistency,
Okay, very good.
and you should always think of how you can improve your weak points. Like you should know your strengths and you should know your weak points. Like
That's
some
right.
people, they have a photogenic memory. They just need to read a thing once and
Mm-hmm.
they are done with it. But for some people
You
like
have to do it
me,
over and
you
over
have to do
again.
it over and over again. So
Right.
like ma'am always says, keep it simple and make sure you revise it enough times till you know it by heart.
So, talking about the strategy, Aparajita, the course is just too vast to handle, right? And I think that is something that all students must be feeling.
That's very
So,
true.
what helped you get here? Uh,
I think dams has what has actually like made me believe in myself that I can achieve it.
I'm
Matlab,
glad we were able to instill that confidence in
till
you.
the time I did not get my CBT rank, my mock AIMS and PGI rank,
Uh-huh.
I never thought that
You are there.
exactly that I am there.
That's great. So, what was your CBT rank?
Not that great. My CBT rank was actually 600 or 700 something.
But
I do
but you
not
know that
remember
I
it
think it must have
exactly.
given you an insight because you've
Yes,
improved
matlab, I
like
remember giving the
tremendously.
CBT and I thought that I am out of the game. But once I got the rank, at least I realized that I am very much in the game and if matlab, and I can do so much better.
And you
And I
did.
think
And you
matlab,
did.
yes, I did try my hardest to convert
That's
that
that's
3-digit rank into a 2-digit
that's
rank.
simply wonderful. That's the amount of dedication each one of us should have if we want to achieve our targets, right? And what course did you do with us, Aparajita?
In my third year, I joined the regular course, and
Okay.
this year I did test and
You
discussion
followed up
series.
with TND.
Yes,
Okay, so
ma'am.
did you find that because those are the questions which these students are having these days because we are starting with a new session and the results are coming. For somebody, it may be very good. For someone, it may not be up to the mark,
Yeah.
right? So, was test and discussion beneficial
Very
to you?
useful. Well, there's so many questions and so many things which are being discussed in the classes which are asked just as such in the papers.
Okay.
Like, I think AIMS paper, like there was one or two questions which were directly out
From
of
the
the.
test paper.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. And Aparajita, once you join a test and discussion course, like a lot of them would be doing that as well. So, just a small piece of advice: how should they go about during the time of their preparation? For example, you have 6 days to prepare for your test, and on the seventh day you have a test. So, what all did you used to do in those 6 days before the test came up?
You should go through the notes
Okay,
once very thoroughly and do last year's papers,
okay,
like last year question papers, instead of using the guidebooks. Like I use the guidebooks, but now that I have realized there was no point doing the guidebooks. Just do the notes and do the last year questions. And once you have given the test, the next day revise the discussion. That's very important to revise the discussion
yes.
and just see whatever your weak, whatever questions you have got right wrong, so that You do not get them wrong the second
So, you know,
time.
that is the purpose, because if I would say the same thing, the students will not sort of believe, you know, but
I
once
mean,
the toppers say that,
this wasn't my strategy during the initial months.
but that's so
But
genuine of
during
her.
the last months, I realized revising the test and discussion is more important than the preparation before the test and discussion.
That's and you know, look at her greatness. She did not. She identified her weakness and she's trying to pass it on so that the juniors don't make the same mistakes. That's a big heart, and you know, it really calls for something to give a genuine advice to people around you, because that's what is also lacking these days, right? The genuine advice. So seniors like you are a boon to the juniors,
ma'am.
right? So this is something that you should also learn, apart from learning whatever else she's saying, to be true to people around you, right? Okay, great. And Aparajita, you had joined a foundation course as well, as you have said. And do you think that joining that course made a difference or not?
It did. The course was so much useful during the normal MBBS, like the medicine notes, the surgery notes. They are so useful in
Right.
your routine professional examinations, viva examinations.
And I think, moreover, they make a base because
Exactly.
she's from Delhi. So, yes, she has a very hard interning schedule, and they don't really get a lot of time to study with the heavy duties. So, if your foundation is strong, I think then you know how to handle things in the lesser amount of time, right?
And DAMS just compiles everything together, so it's very easy for us to read everything in a short span of time.
Okay, since she's been talking about the notes, I want also, just because the juniors want to know, right? We give the notes in the foundation, in the test and discussion as well. Did you have to read too many things from other places as well, apart from the notes?
I don't think that's really required. Matlab, majority of the things are covered in the notes.
Right.
And plus, what I feel is whatever you read, whatever you think is extra, you should just add them in the notes.
Perfect. So that is
Because
compiling, right?
eventually, at the end of the day, it's the notes only which you can revise.
Right.
You cannot open 5 or 6 books.
And that is the reason I asked her this, so that she can tell you, because you know, you have to realize that, as I've said in the previous part of the interview as well, that the course is just vast, right? And if you really can't revise something, then there is no point doing it for the first time as well. So rather concise your study and do it over and over again. You don't need to know too many unnatural and unusual things. Do you think we need to know too many unusual things for cracking an
not
exam?
At all. Not at all.
Right, so those kind of questions would be there, but you shouldn't waste your time for them, right?
Totally.
Okay, and okay, since you did talk about CBT, and were you an active member on the club as well?
Very active, ma'am, and
So was it useful for you?
very useful. Matlab, there are some teachers I would really like to thank for their post. You, ma'am, Diksha, ma'am, Niyaz, sir. Matlab, those were the posts I enjoyed reading. And they were
Right.
so helpful in all the exams. Like, in PGI, there were so many options which I felt that has been discussed by
Discussed.
Niyaz sir in his post.
You know, this is one thing, because you people think that there are going to be different strategies for different exams. Well, I am not of that opinion at all, because you know, and I want to know whether she agrees or not. Do you think we need to prepare separately for AIMS, separately for PGI, separately for NEET, and maybe again for
I
JIPMER?
think the basic preparation is the same for
Absolutely,
every
yes,
examination.
which is a
And
strong
whatever-
theory base.
Whatever separate preparation you have to do, that's covered with the last 5 to 6 years papers.
Yeah, and that's what is being routinely covered in your test and discussions, and you know, the test that you give after your regular courses, right? So that's what you need to, you know, the strategy is quite the same, and with small differences in various exams. But yes, all exams call for a strong theory base. Do you agree on that part? Do you need
Very
to be
true, ma'am.
strong on your theory? Okay, and I think she's already talked about guidebooks and how they have not helped her at all. And
In fact, I would say, initial when I started in January, I actually gave my time to them, and that was that was waste of time.
right, because the pattern of the exams have
Because
changed.
those are the things which you cannot revise. So there's no point doing it if you cannot revise it.
Oh, totally. And then since we are talking about books, I would also like to know from you about the standard textbooks, how you used to. I'm sure. So let me not put it in words. So tell me, what
Like,
opinion
I
do you
think the
have?
standard textbooks are there for the reference, but I've never been one of those students who has read Harrison or Bailey and Love. Like,
So exactly,
I'm
right?
not one of those.
And she's a perfect example of, it's not that if you haven't read it, you can't really crack the exams. So
That's
you should read standard textbooks during your MBBS
yeah.
years as you're doing it, because it's a phase of learning. And close to the exams, I think
Close to the exams, I think you should know what you need to revise. Like everything is
very
important to
important.
revise. And like I've said it, revise so many times because revision is the key word.
Right.
Doing the syllabus one time is the basic, but
Mhm.
whatever you can revise is only what you should do. And like during the last week, I had this
I am
entire
sure
list
this
of
is that they
things.
want to hear. So
I
here
had
it
this
comes again.
entire list of things, like they were medicine notes, path notes, and obs and gynae notes. So like those three notes were my preference that I had to revise, and I had like tables and charts, like those one-liners, high-yielding points, which I
So
made sure that I revised.
So
And
do you see what she's saying? So she's been consistent in her work. She started right from January, okay, and she's gone by it very strategically. And the entire strategy was based on what will she revise in the end. Is it right? And that's what she's trying to put it across as well.
so
Utna pado, so that you can revise that part in the end and reproduce those things during the exam. Is that right?
I would like to say that I realized it once I had given the May exams,
Okay.
that I should just read what I can revise. So
Okay.
that's my mistake, which I think people should not make.
So that's, as I said, she's being very kind on that, because most of the people would not, either not give the genuine advice, and it's coming live. So she's just saying her heart out, right? I think we all should be very thankful for telling what she feels could be the right thing for others as well. They have worked for her, and obviously you need to put your own hard work.
Yes,
But yes, the strategy is very, very important. Before you sit and study, you should plan out your strategy.
And
Yes.
you need a support system. Matlab, it can be your teachers, your family, your
True.
friends, but you need a support system. So make sure you
To
find
keep you strong,
Exactly.
right? And if you don't find anyone, we are here, right? Okay, once again, I would like to congratulate her on her wonderful performance. She's a bright child, and I'm sure she's going to be a wonderful doctor as well.
Thank you,
I
ma'am.
wish her the very best of luck from all of us here at DAMS, and may you rise and shine and achieve whatever you want to in life.
Thank you, ma'am.
And
Thank you so much.
I always say that to my juniors, please stay connected, right?
Sure, ma'am.
And even your juniors would love your help on the club once you're through with your phase.
Ma'am, I would love to do that.
That's again a great heart speaking out, right? So thank you so much.
Thank
All
you,
the
ma'am.
best and lots of love to you.
Thank you, ma'am.